Hi guys, what's up? Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel, SavageUnicorntarot, and I'm about to spill the beans, okay? We about to see what sneaky ass behavior someone or someone's in your life is up to. Keep in mind my readings are general, which means that they may or may not resonate with you guys. Also, roles can be reversed. I curse in my readings a lot. So if you don't want to hear that shit, it's cool. Go ahead and click off. It was nice to meet you anyway. Information on how to book a reading with me is under the About section of my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notifications on and follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well. Without further ado, let's use this deck to see what a sneaky motherfucker is up to in your life. What they doing, what they plotting and scheming. Ooh, woo. All right. First card, we have secrets. Unusual preferences. They could have an interest or engaging in something that is not considered mainstream. The fuck does that mean? That's weird. They like freaky shit? Is that what it is? Inhumane shit? I don't understand. Then we have manipulation. Of course. They will make you feel guilty when you don't give in to their desires. And lastly, we have sneaky behavior. They're not always where they say they are going to be. Well, duh. This is the name of this deck is Sneaky Oracle. So that makes sense. Let's get some clarifiers, though. I want to know what this first card is about. Unusual preferences. What does that mean? What kind of shit is this person into? The hell? Oh, that's gross. Okay. That's weird. Okay. So, unusual preferences. They could have an interest or engaging in something that is not considered mainstream. That is clarified by the Empress card. First thing that came to mind is that this motherfucker likes fucking pregnant women. The Empress is pregnancy. She's the nurturer of life, the giver of life. She is all four queens in the tarot deck in one. Nothing lives without her. So whether it's a project or an idea coming to life, being birthed into the world, or an actual child, she's the giver of life. So this person's unusual preference might be that he likes to fuck pregnant women. All right. Wow. Then they will make you feel guilty when you don't give in to their desires. Oh, this makes sense. That's clarified by the King of Wands. The King of Wands is the fucking baby. I want what I want when I want it. I don't know what the fuck no means. What is that? What are you saying to me? No. What are you saying to me? King of Wands is a natural born leader, true enough. But the King of Wands is also very fucking conceited. Egotistical. doesn't take no for an answer. So if this motherfucker can't get what they want from you the right way, the normal way, by simply asking, oh, they're going to manipulate the fuck out of you until they get it. Until you give in. They're going to get what they want one way or another. Then they're not always where they say they are going to be. That is clarified by the Four of Swords. You're tired of it. You're tired of the bullshit. You need a break from this person. And they lying ass. What's the problem with telling the truth? Where the fuck you at? How come I can't know? How come I can't come? See, me being the type of person that I am, where you about to go? Oh, we going together? Hold on, let me go get my purse. Because what the fuck? Oh, you leaving? Shotgun. Shit. We are a duo. Fuck that. Why is your location a secret? I'm tired of trying to figure shit out. Fuck this shit. Four Swords. Step back. Take a step back. Take a break from this shit. You shouldn't have to be a private eye in your relationship, in your connection. No. Okay. So not only does this person possibly like fucking pregnant women, he also might like fucking married women. Women already in a relationship. So this motherfucker likes being the side piece? Is that what it is? They like being the other person? Okay. Then we have the Star card. Well, look at that. I'm telling you, this person is positive, okay? Has faith and hope in the fact that they can manipulate you to get whatever the fuck they want. They are believers of this. Oh, he's saying no right now, or she's saying no right now, but give me a minute. Let me work my magic. They'll come around. Yeah. Then we got the Two of Wands. It's time to make a decision about which direction you want to go in life. Once you recover from this rest and you have rejuvenated your energy, what you gonna do now? You got two options. You can keep following this motherfucker and their bullshit, or you can go the opposite way. Which one? What we doing? Let me get one more for each one. Is that the Tower? I knew it. I knew. Ooh! All good things must come to an end. All bullshit must come to an end. Will come to an end. Now, in the beginning, when I said that's weird, and I was like, ugh, that's gross, or something that I said, it's because this person likes to fuck women that are pregnant by someone else. It's like they enjoy fucking with women that already have a fetus. that are already committed and married. So it's like they like fucking with people that are already attached to someone else. Yeah, that's an unusual preference, all right. And the last card we have clarifying it is death. Oh, this shit gonna end. It's gonna end. This ain't gonna last forever. Then for manipulation, the last card we have is the Page of Wands. Adventure, curiosity, a spark. Something has sparked this person's interest. But it's like whatever interest that they have, whatever they desire, whatever they want to go towards or whatever, whether you say no or not, they're going to do what the fuck they want to do. That's what this is. This person is going to go on every adventure that they want to go on, whether you want them to or not. Whether you agree with it or not, this person is going to do whatever the fuck they want to do. And in the meantime, in between time, they're going to manipulate the shit out of you to make you stay right where you are while they go do whatever the fuck they want to do. Wow. Wow. Asshole alert. The fuck? Then the last card we have for sneaky behavior is the Tower. This shit is going to be destroyed. It's going to come to an end. Once you take this rest and you decide what direction you want to go in, the past is going to be destroyed. So this is making me believe you're going to choose to go the opposite way from this bullshit. And once you leave this shit behind you, oh, the universe is going to finish it off. Just to make sure that you don't return back to it. Yes, she finally left this shit, or he finally left this shit. Let's make sure that they don't come back. Boom, boom. Kablooey. Okay? Skadoosh. It's gone. Ain't no returning. Bottom of the deck. Ten of Wands, burdens. And burdens is what all of this shit is. Any sneaky shit going on behind your back, any manipulative, sneaky ass, freaky behavior, bullshit going on behind your back is absolutely a burden. Let that shit go. Let that shit completely go, sis or bruh. All of that. End it. This shit is weighing you down, holding you up. Fuck it. So, I spilled the beans. I told on them, ooh. This is sneaky shit that they're doing behind your back. Handle that. Handle that. All right, y'all. That's all I got for y'all today. Be safe. Enjoy the rest of your week. Don't forget to turn on those notifications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Yes, I'm all over. All right, until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.